Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the MFC140U.dll missing error on Windows 11. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft page called Latest Supported Visual C++ Redistributable Downloads. Download both the x64 and x86 versions. Even if you are using a 64-bit version of Windows, you still need to install both packages because some apps and games use 32-bit files. Once the downloads are finished, run both installers one by one. If the installer gives you a repair option, select Repair and continue with the process. Wait for the installation or repair to complete fully. After everything is finished, restart your computer. This step is important because Windows needs to reload the updated system files. If the error only happens with one specific program or game, there may be missing files inside that application. In that case, temporarily turn off real-time protection in your antivirus settings. Then add the installer file or the game folder to the antivirus exclusion list so important files do not get removed during installation. Now reinstall the affected program or game completely. This will restore any missing dependencies and replace damaged files. Once the reinstall is done, restart your PC and launch the application. Thanks for watching.